All right, so I have a Trask Assault intake, and I had a lot of oil buildup inside the intake from the breathers. Trask offered a external breather kit, so I got it and then made some slight modifications to it. So I'm just going to show you basically what it comes with and then what I did. So obviously the filter's off, but the breather kit is 89 bucks. It comes with a replacement piece here, which was these, and then replaced it with the silver ones. I wish they had a black one, but doesn't look too bad. So it comes with that, and it comes with O-rings already attached to it on both sides. And then it comes with 2 pieces of hose. Now what I did was, they just said that it needed to be vented, and they told me to route the 2 separate down by the oil filter. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted to run it to a breather filter. So what I did was I got some hose clamps, and I ran it basically down behind here to a T-fitting right there. I know it says China, that sucks, but it is what it is. And then clamp, 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 T-fitting there, and then basically just routed it down here. Try to keep it away from like anything that gets super hot, like the exhaust, and then ran it underneath and to the breather filter. And then just zip tied it up there. So one thing I did notice about this is that, you know, obviously normally there's holes inside here that vent the oil back into the intake through these holes here. And when you initially take it apart, it's gonna be pretty nasty. But I noticed that the kit, it didn't come with any breather bolts that actually like move the hole farther back, so the oil will still come out, you know, around this area, and I think the idea is that the oil will migrate down here instead of, you know, through that hole down into the intake. I assumed it was going to be getting I guess bolts that have the hole further back to align with the actual drop down, but we'll see how it goes. It'd be cool if we could just plug those holes up all together. But anyway, that's how I did it. I'll probably end up updating it and changing the fittings to some black ones and some black clamps, maybe make it look a little cleaner, but that's it for now. And if you didn't already know, this is a Milwaukee 8. All right, thanks.